Do you want to sound professional, make engaging videos or podcasts? You're in the right place because your audio today is a lot more important than the quality of your video. In this video, I'm going to filter out all the noise and unnecessary tips and give you the meat, the crux, the essentials of what you need to set up your Blue Yeti as a YouTuber or a podcaster. Before we delve into this topic, I want to cover a certain mistake every single one of us has made. I have personally made the exact same mistake. We talk for a long time into our mic thinking the mic is on, when in reality, the mic has been mute the whole time. When the red light is blank, it means the mic is on. When the red light is blinking, it means your mic is off. Now that you know that, you're gonna keep an eye on that to make sure you don't record very long segments just to realize your mic has been mute the whole time. And let's delve into the actionable tips you can take today to set up your Blue Yeti mic. The number one mistake we all make with the Blue Yeti is the positioning. Remember, this is a condenser mic, which means it is very sensitive to audio. We all have the temptation to get the mic much closer to our mouth because we want to hear the richness and depthness of our voice, but that's wrong. With the condenser mic, it is imperative that you have some distance between your mouth and the mic. If you really want to increase the volume of your voice through the mic, all you have to do is increase the gain. Instead of bringing the mic closer to your mouth, you can also increase the gain. Now with this condenser mic, the audio receptors are on the sides of the mic, not the top of the mic. When you have the temptation to bring the mic closer to your mouth, you have to make sure you're speaking to the sides of the mic. This side is the front of the mic and the other side is the back of the mic. Keep that in mind so you don't make that mistake. You can always get a boom stand or a boom arm or a microphone stand to bring the mic closer to your mouth. The good thing about the Blue Yeti is at the bottom of the mic, it has a universal screw spot which you can attach to any microphone stand out there. So all you have to do is unhinge the sides, attach it to your boom arm or boom stand, and voila. Remember to speak into the sides of the condenser mic instead of on the top like this. This is wrong. But the second tip I'm going to give you is to just set your mic to the cardioid pattern, and that's it. This is the upside down heart shaped setting, and with this setting you're picking up audio that's directly in front of you. Set the setting to the upside down heart-shaped pattern, captures the audio right in front of you. But if you need to know about the other patterns, it's on the packaging of the box. The third tip is to use a windscreen or a foam. Let's do a little test. I'm gonna speak into the mic without the foam attached to it. Peter Piper picked a pair of pickled pepper. And now speaking with my foam, Peter Piper picked a pair of pickled pepper. The reason why you want to use a windscreen is you want to filter out all those harsh syllables while you're speaking into your condenser mic. P is a harsh syllable, and what that does is when you have a lot of that, it ruins the audio experience for the end listener. You want to make your video sound smooth and rich as possible. So you want to filter out all these unnecessary harsh voices that are going to ruin the audio experience for the end user. How to solve this problem? It's not going to cost you that much. It costs you about $10 or $15 max. Get a foam or a windscreen. I have some links down in the description below. The number 4 tip I'm going to give you is to process your audio. Now this step is not that hard because there are ways to circumvent how hard it can be. You need to process your audio. You don't have to go buy a paid software to do this. I personally use Audacity and it's free, and with a few keybinds I get my voice to exactly where I want to get it, which means I add more bass, I reduce the treble, I make it just sound a little bit more richer before I use that audio with my video. Now if you guys like this type of content, I want you to like that button, subscribe, and I'm gonna see you guys around.